Bags all packed, make sure you remember everything. No looking back no more. Not for anything. This is what you wanted, isn't it? Clear it out just like you never been. What's a goodbye good for?
Hey, what's up? Hello! We are currently headed to the airport. And it's 9:05 in the morning. Are sorta lost. Don't know where we are. Where are we? Tell you when we get there. Crowded in this place. Oh, not much because there's construction ongoing. Yeah, we found it. They can challenge girls like find the parking and ooh, look at that flag! Philippine flag. Yeah, there's a lot of them.
Darling, go inside.
So that's me and we're walking to the airport and here's my luggage and I'm walking. We're waiting and we're moving. Guys, we just we're here at the Burger King, and we're eating rice. Good food. My burger's here. Yeah. Hi to my vlog. Are at the airport and someone is reviewing. Yeah. Stop smiling. Close it. Eating for like 5 minutes. I think I'm just gonna play. You wanna play? Play what? Oh! Finished my ride and it was fun. He's tired. Thank you. I seriously like that bag. Okay. What's up, guys? It's still 11 in the morning and my flight is not until 5 in the afternoon and we're looking for places to stay because it's really boring. We're about to check in. Finished checking in. Is that what you call it? And here are my stuff. Actually, I have no much stuff. And now we just have to wait for like 4 hours until I leave. So it's kind of boring. So we got ourselves Cold Stone ice cream. Moving shoes, and I'm still walking. Alright guys, so we are here now at the airport. Actually, I just got to my gate and I'm just gonna sit here because I think that I'm not going to be in a rush or anything because there is no one in this airport. What a view. What a view. Hey, I guess that's my plane. And there is literally no one in the plane. And in the airport. Like no one. Just them. So I think that I have a pretty view down here. So yeah. So people won't think that I'm weird or anything. Just me, sitting alone. Okay, so I'm in my seat. I have no one else with me, so it's just me. And yeah, there's no one here. There are humans. Alright guys, I should probably walk later. Got myself a mocha. Okay, so I just got here 10 minutes ago. Alright, good morning guys. It's my first day here. First morning actually, and it's 8 in the morning and it's like 35 degrees Celsius and it's really extremely hot, so I have to keep this door open because I don't want to burn, y'all.